welcome to our new YouTube channel. Luzmina Cora here at Rob Claire's here. Doon tayo sa...
Dito tayo.
Dito
tayo sa simbahan.
Dito tayo sa simbahan.
Ayun, ang simbahan. Papasok na po kami sa simbahan, guys. Ay pa... Ewan ko, may hangin na dito. Wala pa yata. Ah, meron na. May hangin na.
Gutom na ka.
Gutom ako. Mamaya na. Kain natin. Alas ko na. Diyan ako sa simbahan, guys. Pumasok na kami. Yan na dito. Come here. Babe, babe. Yes, babe. Dito guys sa simbahan. Tayo. Ingay. Ingay pa. Pagalitan ka ng pare dyan. Sige ka. Dito kami guys. Yung tatlo. Ruby. Rex. What do you say?
We love it here.
What do you see our church? What do you say?
Oh
What
my
did you
God.
say? It's very nice. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. How was it?
It was very good.
It's very good. Your church.
And we I just dressed myself and my brother dressed too. I was so excited to go to the church, but Rex is running around when I catch him. We went to the church, but we made quiet carefully and bark. That's
No. Don't touch. Ba't inano mo? Oh,
because
what did you do?
he said bark.
Oh no, what did you do?
Sabi-
Well, just say sorry.
I said po.
Just say sorry. Oh. Oh, naku, Ruby. Galit. Halika dito. Halika dito. Kami ka. Ah, Ruby, nano mo kasi eh. Dito ka. No. Yes. Quiet ha? Quiet. It might be somebody here. We're good man.
Ma'am, yung chandelier,
Where?
hanggang doon.
Asan here?
Hanggang na yung kandila.
Ang ganyan nila.
Patay si Jesus.
Oo. The candle is it's very beautiful. Oh, the chandelier. The chandelier.
What happened to Jesus?
This is this.
8 years ago,
Both in
someone killed Jesus' life. He killed his heart
Then,
when he was dead forever.
oh, it's the bell. The campana. The campana is ringing. The campana is belling.
They buried Jesus' heart. They buried Jesus.